Para sa mga new mommies o moms-to-be, isang paalala mula sa eksperto na huwag balewalain ang breastfeeding. Dahil ito ay napakaraming benepisyong makukuha na makakatulong sa kalusugan ng mga babies at para makaiwas sa mga sakit.
For us, probably it's cliche, but for maybe new moms or moms-to-be, it's also important to remind them, what's really the importance behind breastfeeding? Because, it's so much easier to prepare formula sometimes. It takes more effort sometimes to breastfeed, but there's so many benefits with breastfeeding for the baby, for the mother, for the family, and for the environment. So, yung breast milk kasi, it's really the perfect food, Kompleto na siya. It already contains water, it contains vitamins, minerals, even antibodies, na panlaban, and it also prevents infections to the baby.
Kung ikaw naman ay namomroblema dahil sa kakaunti ang milk supplies, isang mahalagang bagay ang tuloy-tuloy na pagbe-breastfeeding ng 8 beses sa loob ng 24 oras para mas dumami ang supply na gatas.
So ideally, talaga for breastfeeding, sana yung sa first few weeks, talagang kasama mo talaga si baby. As in, unlatched. Tawag namin unlatched. Skin to skin, dikit kayo. Kasi, in the first month, hindi pa established yung milk supply ng mommy. Kailangan din ng support, kailangan din ng stimulation, yung sucking ng baby, para dumami rin yung milk supply ng mom. So, kung sa start pa lang, after 1 week, mag-work na yung mom, syempre, hindi na rin masyadong na-stimulate yung kanyang breast, so baka hindi dumami yung milk. So, sana, if you really want to breastfeed, maybe in the first month, talagang kasama mo si baby. Now, if you have to leave, siguro, sama mo si baby. But if hindi mo siya syempre masama dahil maliit pa si baby, some moms, what they do, they pump na muna habang during the time that they are separated from their baby. So, matuloy pa rin yung stimulation of the breasts. Kasi kailangan, mga 8 times a day, nakakapag-breastfeed or nakakapag-pump, So, mga 8 times in 24 hours para talagang ma-stimulate, dumami yung milk supply ng mama.
Alamin ang iba pang dahilan kung ano ang naitutulong ng breastfeeding for babies. Manood ng Dr. Son TV ngayong linggo, alas 7 ng umaga, dito lang sa UNTV. Kichi Cipriano, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.